Here's a closer look at this 8-piece wooden cooking utensil set from Kurote. These utensils are made from acacia wood, which gives each piece a nice, warm, natural appearance. So because it's real wood, the grain and coloring varies slightly from one utensil to the other, which I think looks really nice. It makes them unique. This is definitely real wood. They have a really nice, smooth, polished feel to them, and they're super light. So it's got an assortment of shapes for everyday cooking, stirring sauces, flipping food, serving pasta, or mixing ingredients. All 8 of them are exactly what you get here. One thing that I like about these is that they're gentle on non-stick wear. So unlike the metal ones, you might scratch or damage the cooking surface. These ones are nice because they wouldn't. They're less likely to do that. Obviously, you could if you really crank into them. But see, I've got all these different pieces here. Each one has a nice length to them. So this one is a tad short if you're flipping burgers, I will admit. But it's, for moving around food and whatnot, all sorts, it's pretty easy. So you do need to hand wash them instead of putting them in the dishwasher. Also, this whisk here was just, I don't know. It feels like it doesn't need to be part of the set. It broke. Obviously, one of the wires is just going haywire. um, I don't love that, but the rest of them, I really do like them.